Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so super excited to bring to you the Advent Calendar by Lunar Beauty. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the Lunar Beauty Advent Calendar just arrived and I'm so super excited. I even posted on my Instagram stories yesterday to show you guys that I just got it and I'm so excited. Now, if you don't know, Lunar Beauty is an amazing makeup line. I absolutely love all of the products that I have. I think I have almost all of their palettes. I absolutely love the formula. I love their lip products. I love their new lip oils. So they just came out with an Advent Calendar, which is the most unique, oops, that's fallen off. It's the most unique Advent Calendar that I have ever seen. And now Lunar Beauty sets them aside from anybody else because they are the only ones doing this. And I'm so glad that he came up with this because it's an amazing idea. So basically you have your Advent Calendar. I'm dropping everything. And there's a palette and then there's the 12 different shadows. So you get to open up each one, put them in your palette however you want. And I'm so here for it. I'm so excited. So nobody else better go steal their idea or else we'll know where you got it from. I'm so glad Manny came up with this idea. I absolutely love it. So it came in this bag and basically on his video, what he had said was the color shadow for door number 9, which is right here taped to the front. And on here it says, "Hi loves, please replace day 9 shadow with this one instead. XOXO LB team." So basically what he was saying was number 9 was not the one that he had actually approved, but that's the one that was put into all of the packaging. So instead of like punching out the 9 and ruining that like door, he decided just to put in a whole brand new one that was approved by him to put, so you can put this one into the eyeshadow palette if you would like. I mean, I guess you have both, so if you want to use both, you can do whatever. But I do like the fact that even though it wasn't exactly, that one color wasn't exactly what he approved, he wanted to make sure that what he approved was in there. So we got an additional bonus for number 9. So they also did come out with 2 new lip oils and I grabbed one of them. I grabbed the Tease Me. So I will show you that in a little bit as well. So let's go ahead and pull this out of the packaging. This though, let's just take a moment to take in this beautiness. Look at the artwork, look at the colors. That is one thing that I absolutely love about Lunar Beauty because if you guys know, I love the moon phase and so do they. Inside their packaging, like even like inside of here, I bet you it will be the same way. Yes, see, there's like a moon inside of their packaging. Like all of their packaging is just gorgeous. So I'm so excited. The back just has Lunar Beauty, Manny MUA. When you open her up, this is what it looks like. So on the flap here it says Lunar Beauty. Ever since I was a kid, there was magic in Advent calendars. I loved anxiously opening one day, awaiting the big 25th. It's like a mini gift every day, and that's exactly what I wanted to do with our Advent calendar. I hope you have the most amazing holiday. Love, Manny MUA. So here is the 12-day calendar. You have 1 through 12. If you wanted to open each shadow one day at a time, you're more than welcome to, but I'm going to open up this entire thing and then we're going to swatch it so then you can see the color formulas and the color on my skin. So let's go ahead and get the palette out first. So they all have these little perforated, see, that's what I'm saying. He didn't want to just like punch already open up the packaging because you can't get into it any other way. It's like literally glued and sealed in. That is a nice package. So let's go ahead and pop out the palette. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh, it is so much more gorgeous in person. Again, the packaging. Look at the moon. The moon is raised. These like beautiful winter trees are even raised a little bit. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Now I know he did say he didn't name the colors. This is just the Advent calendar. You can only get these colors in this Advent calendar. So the back just shows the 12 days of Lunar. color palette, and we're going to go ahead and start putting them in. But I think that is so beautiful. I love those colors. Oh my gosh. So inside you do have a mirror, and then you have all of these magnetic little spots. So you can put them anywhere you want. If you wanted to do 1 through 12, you're more than welcome to, but if you wanted to mix them up and put them in your own order, that is the beauty in this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up each shadow, and then I'm going to figure out how I want to design it in my own palette, and then I will swatch it for you guys. So here's the palette again, absolutely beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. It's even more stunning in person. It is even more stunning in person. Okay, so let's go with number 1. We'll get this one out. And they're all cute in these little purple boxes. Everything matches. So here is how they come. Just like that. And inside of here, we have the individual shadow. And that is the color for day 1. Let me get it out of the package. So then you would just remove them, and this little pan is magnetic, and it would just slide right in the hole. But there is day number 1. Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just gonna set this down on my table until I get all 12 out, and then I'll figure out my own little formulation, my color coordination. So number 2. And I think he only showed 3 colors because he didn't want to spoil it too much for us because, you know, the surprise. So I think there was 2 or 3 of them that he showed. So I'm so excited to now see all 12 of them, and in person, because it's completely different when you see them in person. Look at how gorgeous that color is. There's door number 2. Super, super pretty. I love the purple mauve colors. Again, I'm just so here for it no matter what. Even if these colors were, none of them were my shade, I still wanted it because I needed it because it was Lunar Beauty, and I could not get over how gorgeous the packaging were. I mean, I should know because all of their packaging is absolutely stunning. So now number 3, let's get, ooh, and this is one that I'll probably use on my lower lid. The other one, day number 1, is a little bit more goldy for me, but this one is definitely up my alley. So there you go. It's definitely a shimmer, but it's more of a beige neutral shimmer, where this one is more goldy. See? All right, so there's 1, 2, and 3. Let's go number 4. Again, I just think this is the neatest thing. I'm so glad that he came up with this idea, and now it'd be so cool if he did this next year too. So every winter we can get a new palette like this. That would be amazing. And this is a beautiful shade too. Look at that. Number 5. Oh, I love this one even more. I love this one even more than that other shimmer. This one has a little bit more of a pinkier kind of to it, where this one now seems more goldish than the other one, which the other one was definitely even more gold. There's all 3 together. Number 6. Here's number 6. It's kind of a mustardy kind of yellow color. So there's day number 6. Number 7. These come out super easy too. The packaging is made very well. Ooh, we have another shimmer. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, he had mentioned they were half and half, half shimmer and half regular. But look at how pretty that color is. Again, I'm going to swatch everything at the end for you guys. So let's get with number 8. Ooh, this is a really pretty green. How fun is that? And I do really like greens. So that is really neat to see in here. Okay, so now we're going to go with day number 9. This is that one that he gave the other one to swap it out with. So let's just look and see what was in here. It is it's a green shimmer shade. Let me open up the other one because I definitely don't want to mix them up. I want to keep the one that he wants us to be using. So let's get this one opened. Okay, so it looks exactly the same, but obviously it's some type of a different formula. This is the one he wants us to keep, but at least you can see they are the same shade. It just must be a different formula. So this one that he does not want us really using, well, you can, but that wasn't what he was preferring. I'm gonna set this one aside so I don't mix them up. So this one I'm gonna open, and oh my gosh, this is a beautiful shimmer green. I love this color. Look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that will go really pretty with that other green that is in there. Okay, so let's go with number 10. Then we'll have 2 more left, and then we can put it in the palette and see how it looks all together. I'm so excited. Ooh, and this is a really pretty neutral brown color too. Number 11. Ooh, look how pretty. This and this one would look so pretty together. Just like these two would look gorgeous together. Like there's so many good combinations of colors. Okay, so the last and final day, number 12. Let's get her out. And let's see what she looks like. Ooh, is it a black? That is so cool that there is a dark color to like, yes, I'm so glad that there was one dark color in here and there is a black. So yes, there are 6 shimmers and 6 mattes in here. And again, that will now complete my whole entire calendar. That is so cute though, you guys. I love that packaging. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick all mine in, and what I want to do is I want all my shimmers on the top and all my mattes on the bottom. So let me go ahead and put them in. Let me show you though. Let me put one in first. It just literally just goes plop right in there. Plop right in there. So let me go ahead and just stick all of these in here. I'll kind of go like some kind of like a color combination here. No. You do this one. And then if you don't want it there, you just pull it right out, move it in the next one. So pretty, you guys. I'm going to put that there. I'm going to put my black in the beginning. I'm going to put my purple under here. The gold, I'm going to put that there. Brown and brown. Okay, so that is how I decided to put my palette in that order. Again, I put all of the shimmers on the top and all of the mattes on the bottom. So now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them all for you. I'm gonna get my fingers in all of these colors so we can see the color on my skin. So let's get these swatched. Okay, so now I am done putting all of them on my arm. When I put this pink with this purple, I said Beetlejuice. For some reason, those 2 colors reminded me of Beetlejuice. If the black was next to it, it would have been more. But again, here is the palette, and then here is the entire thing swatched. So I started with my shimmers all the way to here, and then with the black all the way to the green would be the mattes. I am so excited to start playing with this palette. I will link them down below if you like to go check this out and see if it's still available, or you can check out all of the different palettes and stuff that they do have. Again, they did come out with 2 new lip oils. With this one, they came out with Love Me and Tease Me. Love Me is strawberry scented and Tease Me is berry scented. But see the different colors? And I wear a lot more of like burgundies and purples, so I thought with the little bit of purple tint to it would be better for me. So that's the one that I chose, and I absolutely love their lip oils. I had some, my last order, I grabbed some, and I love them. So, ooh, look at how pretty. I love that packaging, like a pinkish mauvish kind of color. Super pretty. That's what it looks like inside with the formula. And then you can see there is like, you know, some purple in it that's tinted. And then, it smells so good. It smells very good. It's very delicious. It feels phenomenal. It smells phenomenal. I absolutely just love their products, you guys. I can't say that enough. Again, I will link their website down below if you'd like to go check out any of their products or see if this is still available. I am super, super excited. I'm so glad that I grabbed this. I'm so glad that I have it, and I'm going to add it to my collection. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this idea? Didn't he come out with the best idea ever to do an advent calendar with an eyeshadow palette? Like, oh my gosh. Genius. Definitely let me know, what do you think of the packaging, the colors inside? Let me know what you think. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.